Hi, welcome back to Urban Surfaces. In this series, we will be demonstrating to you how to properly install our molding transitions. The Slim Trim Molding, or SLT, functions as both a reducer and a T-molding with its rounded surface profile, making it a 2-in-1 transition molding. Because the SLT is a dynamic transition, it can function in almost any scenario. Let's get started. Make sure there's a 1-inch gap between both floors and that the slim track is placed 3/8 of an inch from the floor. Once your measurements are finalized, we're going to screw both the shim and the track to the subfloor by using 6 by 5/8 screws. We recommend placing adhesive on the track for extra security. Once your adhesive is added, line the SLT molding to the track and tap it with a rubber mallet to engage. For best results, work from one end of the molding to the other. And just like that, you just installed an Urban Surfaces Slim Trim Molding. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.